Hi guys, welcome back to our Top Chef channel. Today we are going to make grilled chicken burgers. Okay, so for our grilled chicken burgers, you're going to need thinly sliced chicken breast, buns, salt and pepper. I've applied salt and pepper, and to this I'm going to add now just a little olive oil to it so that it doesn't get dry, and then we're going to grill it. Okay, so our pan is nice and hot. We're gonna put it on medium flame, grill the chicken. Since the chicken is very thin, you don't want to dry it too much, so just 1 minute on each side. Okay, so there you go. You don't want it dry too much. It'll make it juicy. Flip it and cook it same 1 minute on the other side. Well, hello there. This is what I'm gonna do now. I just removed the chicken and we're gonna saute the onions and the mushroom. Well, if you have not subscribed to our channel, there's a chance for you to do so. The Top Chef channel. So this is how I like my mushrooms cooked. You don't want it well cooked, and this is done now. The mushrooms and everything I'm going to remove it. And after I remove it, on the same pan, I'm going to toast my buns, grill my buns on the same pan. So in the same pan, I'm going to lightly toast our buns and just grease a little bit on the grill, and then toast it on each side so it gets nice and crispy. Welcome back to our channel, the Top Chef channel. Please visit our blog at topperchef.com, and we are ready to assemble our chicken burgers. For this, I'm gonna cut my chicken this way. Here you are, it's pretty big. Now to this, I'm gonna put some generous amount of, this is chipotle mayonnaise, the top and the bottom also. Here you are. So we're going to make a couple of sandwiches. So here you are. I'm going to assemble this with lettuce leaf, some nice fresh onions and mushrooms, my chicken breast. Now you can take how much also you want, and top it with some tomatoes, Monterey Jack cheese, and here you are. This is one sandwich is ready. We got some bed of fantastic chips here. Here's one burger. Now we'll proceed to make another burger. This is a different type of burger. Now for this, I've taken, of course, the chipotle dressing. Right here. And I'm gonna add this Indian thing to it, so also our Indian chutney. So this is called an Indian burger. We have, this is like a favorite thing in our house. And then I'm gonna add my chicken to it. Oh, I forgot to add my lettuce, sorry. Then add some tomatoes, Monterey Jack cheese. I like the spiciness of the cheese. Again, add some chipotle dressing. Add some, don't forget the mushrooms. Here you are. This is an Indian burger. Try this fantastic burgers and let me know how you like them.